So to make sock bunnies, we are going to need a sock that we don't need anymore, a marker, some dry rice, some elastic bands and some ribbon. You're also going to need a cup and some scissors. Be very careful with those scissors. You must have an adult with you and always carry them like this. To start, we're going to put the sock in the cup. This makes it easier to pour the rice in. We're going to fill up the sock with rice about just over halfway, and the bit of the sock left over are going to be the bunny ears. So if you want really long floppy bunny ears, leave more of the sock, but if you want short pointy ears for your bunny rabbit, then fill more of the sock up with rice. Next, we're going to take an elastic band and tie it around the sock where the rice ends. This is where the bunny ears will begin. Next, we're going to get another elastic band and we're going to tie it like this to make the bunny head. Then using another elastic band, we turn the bunny around and pinch a bit of rice to make the bunny tail and tie it with the elastic band. So now we can see we've got the bunny tail, the bunny's body, the head and the start of the ears. I'm about to change the sock because I changed my mind and wanted to keep the pink fluffy one, so I'm going to change it to a different colour. We're going to be using scissors very soon to cut the ears. So remember, you must have an adult with you to do this, and you must be very, very careful because scissors are sharp and dangerous. So we're going to cut the top bit of the sock off. Then, when you've cut that off, we're going to cut down the middle to make two bunny ears. Then your bunny should look like this. Very cute. Next, we're going to get a marker. Here's where you can be really creative and draw whatever you would like on your bunny. You could draw a t-shirt or a funny face or a bow tie. And I'm using the black marker here to draw on some button eyes on my bunny. And then I use a pink marker to draw a little bunny nose and then a little bunny smiley face with some freckles. Next, we're going to use the ribbon, and we're going to be using scissors here again, so remember, be very careful and have an adult with you, or ask an adult for some help. So we're going to cut off some ribbon, long enough to go around the bunny ears where the elastic band is, and around the neck where the elastic band is, and then around the bunny tail. This is going to make the bunny look extra cute, and it's also going to cover up the elastic bands. And there we have it, our cute little finished sock bunny. Well done, and I'm going to quickly show you how I made my other one. There we go, well done. What are you going to call your bunnies? Thank you for watching.